Today we are exploring Tarpon Spring's historic train depot museum located at 160 East Tarpon Avenue, Tarpon Springs, Florida. Conveniently located next to a fun, really great coffee shop is the Tarpon Springs Historic Train Depot Museum. Here you can see inside of a train depot built in 1909. When you first step into the museum, you feel like you've just stepped back in time, ready to buy a ticket for the train. No longer a train depot, the Tarpon Springs Historical Museum took it over and made it a free museum. They did a really good job on it. The museum is usually open Wednesday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., so check before you go. That way you don't miss a thing. The photo albums were my favorite part of the museum. I'm not sure if I want to buy a ticket from this guy. Last time he sold me a ticket to the Titanic. I almost didn't make it on that one. The museum docent said that this was not the original train depot. The original burnt down in 1908, and this one was built a year later. Wow, they really worked fast when they built this. She also told us that Hamilton Distant bought 4 million acres and built the railroad to help develop the land. This railroad was the Orange Belt at the time. The museum has so much stuff to look at, it'll definitely take more than one visit to see everything. Most of the items were all donated by people who live in Tarpon Springs. They have everything organized into different themes. I think they did a really good job on this. I love how they have these benches to sit on. It makes you feel like you're waiting for a train to arrive. The only difference from the past is that there's no air conditioning back then. Outside they still have the train platforms. You can imagine boarding the trains out here. The Pinellas Trail used to be the train tracks. Now, no longer do trains run through here, just bikes and cars. There's a section on the wall where they have memorabilia from movies and TV shows filmed in Tarpon Springs. Some of them included our Sea Hunt, Beneath the 12-Mile Reef, Grace is Gone, and of course everybody's favorite, Dolphin Tale.
I got out of the car for this. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section and please be nice.
After you're done enjoying coffee and you're looking for something fun to do, or you want to delve into Tarpon Springs' rich history, stop into the Train Depot Museum. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Well, I hope you enjoyed exploring with us today and hope to see you on our next destination.